Hey guys, this is the Hisense RB320D4WW1 50/50 fridge freezer with water dispenser. On the exterior door is a water dispenser with a lock and unlock catch, which is great if you have young kids. Here you go. Just put the lock on. And as you can see, it won't bring you any water. Take it off. And you have a fine trickle of water coming through. I'll put that back on because you never know if my friend's going to bring her little boy. On the inside door, on the top shelf, you have your egg tray, which is here. It does move, so you can adjust it to which shelf you want. It does come with two, but I only need the one. Got enough room to put a few other little bits there, as you can see. And here you have another shelf sitting on top of the water tank. Now, to fill your water tank, you've got this little bit here that you just lift up, pop it open, and then I filled my blender jug so you can see how much water it holds. They recommend 1.8 litres. It's just as simple as this. A bit shaky holding the camera and doing this at the same time. There we go. And then we just pop the lid back down. I don't know if you can see it here. Well, there you go, just there. It says 1.8 litres. There's your tank. That sits nicely under the shelf so it doesn't get in the way. And then you've got your door, which you could easily put 2 to 3, 4 pints of milk in. And that's the door. Then you go up here on the top of the fridge, on the inside, and you've got your switch. I have it on number 3, as you can see, but it's easy enough to adjust to whatever you want it to be. And then the light. It's got 3 shelves and they're all adjustable. Then you've got your salad crisper, which is down here. Plenty of room in there. I haven't had a chance to go shopping yet, which I was hoping to, but I haven't been too well. But as you can see, plenty of room for all your salady bits. And plenty of room for all your fridgy bits. It also comes with an ice cube tray. I've got it in my fridge at the minute because I haven't got round to putting it in the freezer because it's a bit cold for ice cubes. But then we go down to the freezer section. Freezer section's got 4 drawers, 1 deep one at the bottom, as you can see, and then 3 standard size ones. As you can see, it freezes perfect, no problems at all with the freezing. And that's it. This is the Hisense RB320D4WW1 fridge freezer. Thank you for watching. Bye.